ube nomfanekiso ngqondweni usi-state witness sokuqala kwi-trial likaVusimuzi Khet Matlala futhi kubonakala ingathi nguwe umuntu owasindisa oBra Joe Sibanyoni bezanya ukubulawa lithimba likaVusimuzi Khet Matlala allegedly. Ijiki defense ithi hayi man, what if xa uzama ukubavikela nguwe wena muntu owadubula uBra Joe Sibanyoni? Eza bullet ezadubula uBra Joe Sibanyoni zazisuka kwesakho isibhamu. You know ngayithini yona leyo? Hey la case bafowethu ngakuphakamisela nje nge-high blood. Dijilo mosi indoba i-state witness sokuqala nguBethwel Cele. Narrator istory akasibalisela sona ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo mhla kuduyulo uBra Joe Sibanyoni. Utshilo andizuyilanda yonke. Utshilo intoba kwangena imoto ezimbini iFerrari neGolf ezoBra Joe Sibanyoni. Akubanga kudala kwavela iBMW emhlophe kubonakala intoba leyilithimba eli. Hayi yathi biyashaya nje islova nje somewhere yabethi U10 yabuya yenhla nelaba bantu ebafunayo okungoBra Joe Sibanyoni. But ke ngoku yababona nabo bona iwusi security guard sakulo and I think lo estate le Golf estate Century Golf estate. Benhla nabo akubanga kudala aba beBM badedela ibullets. Xa bededela ibullets nje bona yena bayi2 unomnye umfana okuthiwa nguMazibuko balele bakutsile phansi. Uthi wavakala uMazibuko esithi ndoda sizufa uphethe ingadlangala. Uthi wayikhipha wayikhokha hayi wayikhulula wayidedela kubo ke ngoku phi aba beBM. Uthi kwakho lapha besithi sisakhona uthi bebaleka beyotshona abanye beqabela ama-boom gates nje bebaleka abanye bebaleka beyozitshona bengena ngama-first race modweni kwi-BMW. Uthi uyabathela uyabakhapha ngembumbulo. So sistory akafika wasibalisela sona phi esucele. So I did cover it. Ngoku i-defense iza nento ethi what if sesakho isibhamu esangena kuBra Joe Sibanyoni. Hey bafethu ndeve kwababa yami sithi go ngapha dibane negqwetha likaVusimuzi Khet Matlala lirabhana nama-shoulders no Bra Joe Sibanyoni oyi-victim kule ke ukubonakala into wayeduyulwa ngubani yiclient yalo muntu kodwa uhlekahlekana naye. Ngapha injobe i-defense busy nje ifuna ukujika lo mbombo iwujongise apha kuye umfana kaCele. Bafethu umfana kaCele ngathi uluza ama-emotions because i-defense iyakwazi ukudlala ngama-emotions. Uvakala umfana kaCele sithi mina I can't do this anymore because wenifuna wenze ngathi ndim umuntu owaqala yonke le nyakanyaka yonke le nyuva dem yasuswa ndim ngifuna ukuyijikela nibuyiphina apha kum lento mina I can't take this anymore. Ukuthi bambuza imibuzo efana noma ba i-distance esuka apha isiya PPP yayingakanani. Athi umfana kaCele ndangingaphethanga measuring tape cuma ngaphathanga measuring tape ndisi security guard ndisize emsebenzini. Ndavakala ngithi hey kodwa namba fethu yama ndiyithanda into obuzwa nama distance andiuqondi ncama umcimbi wama distance nami. Nini bambuze ngemithi yayingaphi wayengazelanga kuzobalela nemithi mina ndiyi-security guard. Xa ndiqashwa ndiqashela into yoba ndizogadana neproperty yabelungu ndizogadana nemoto ndizogadana nabantu inhlalande yabantu apha ndizoprotectana nabantu abonaba. So bangaba kwakusizona into yoba ndiprotectana neclient engoBra Joe Sibanyoni. Hayi bafethu hayi I can't take this anymore. Bafethu uyayilose itemper bapressa the buttons ezirong phakuye into elingathi nayo uyabavumela. So ngathi nje hey bafethu bangamhlebela manje into yoba hayi ndoda hayi asikwazi manje ukuluzana nawe because ngoku eligqwetha likaVusimuzi Khet Matlala selikhiphile amagama man. Lo mntu disrespect ikhoti lona ngendlela akaphendula ngayo ngoba ngumZulu phaqa ngumZulu othi xa kebuzwa ngento enokwenza nemithi uba yayingaphi athi ayidoko eligayiwe mina khona lokho. So ngoku uappear as though he's disrespecting the court. Enye thetha isizulu phaqa ngosizulu siyadelela isizulu siraw. So enye echilo wathi ucelela into. So ngoku hey bafowethu andikho sure nje bakwenzekalani nje kula case. Ningalibalanga ke indoba kuthiyo kwathiwa kuzawuqalwa ngale kaBra Joe Sibanyoni attempted murder kuzawungena kwekatebo Thobejani then kulandeleyo DJ into Ventis. So sizaza ngazo nje kahle but hey bafethu hey uluzi ithemba yakhe phana unto umfana kaCele. Hey andikho sho bithi nje lento ngaphezulu into endenzele ixhala mani entsha evelile into yoba engathi umfana kaCele lona usebenzela uBrajo Sibanyoni okanye ubhatalwa indirect nguBrajo Sibanyoni. Andivanga nje ncam lanto la phansi ngoba ngeke ndasho ndathi hey bafethu ngendlela after ndive uday 1 lo wakhe ndathi I hope uBrajo Sibanyoni uyarealize indlela akamsindisa ngayo impilo yakhe yena uCele lona. But ke ngoku hey xa ngavela into yoba uyamsebenzela bafethu i-defense ngadlalela kwikona zongathi iyafabricate lento ethethwa. But ke while we are on it ikhona CCTV leyo i-defense okwangoku isa objectile into yoba mayidlalwe. So andazi imicimbi nokwaza ne-authority yayo nani uba nje ubunyani bayo buthini balo CCTV but nje hayona ikhona uvakala sithi ucela ingadlalwa yini hayi defense ithi nje nganime nje kancinci nje ngaleyo into ubiya uzala Nkomoni bafethu asiyazi. Hayi asiyazi. Talking about elibhulu lo eli representer uVusi Musicat Madlala bafethu that woman is good. But ndiyakhalela ukuzibuza into yoba wale good ne I want to put it up into yoba zikhona icase omaqhuzileli akaziluzi cases zabo. So ningalinge nje nithi ngoba kuthiwa ugood nicinga into yoba bakhona bangaphakathi. So sibuya apha ke ngokuye bafethu yazi lento yokwenza namagqwetha I'm very passionate about it. It's what like emaphupheni wami this is one career, this is one field I really wanted to do. But ndihlahla ndizibuza into yoba I wonder what sort of a lawyer I would have became because xa unje ugood masithi umzekelo as much as she is ne does it make you as bad as aba bantu ba representayo because lo muntu representa nemigulukudu bafowethu? Are you now enabler because masithi umzekelo kwabanye end up befoundwa not guilty because of umsebenzi wakho oncomekayo bahambe futhi bayakwenza eminye imigulo? Are you now an enabler of criminality? Are you as bad as bona na? Ndiya understand ipokodo isalary indlela kaphila ngayo ukuba indlela oziphilisa ngayo xa uligqwetha but hey bafowethu hayi andiyazi. So sisayibona nje into bayizawuzala Nkomoni icase yakhona we are watching it.
Into sukuyiqhashela wena njengane security ukugada iproperty yeclient ukugada ama residents weclient nokugada nje inhlala kahle yabahlali lapho ukuthi bahleli kahle ba happy ngomsebenzi mhlambe lo suku benzela wona.
You know, when you are employed, there are duties, no requirements that you need to do. As a security officer, when we are employed, you must be on guard, you must guard the cars, the property, the resident, and inquire also from the resident whether they are okay or they are safe in that area.
Yes, and it sometimes becomes quite a busy area. Am I correct?
Yes.
It's like school buses that picks up children there in the morning, drop them off in the afternoon. There's lift clubs. It's a busy area there in front of the security gate.
Mhlambe manje asekhona amabhasi but ngalesa sikhathi mina bengisebenza angena amabhasi lapha. Hey my lord mina ngikhathele manje ke.
My lord, I'm tired of this now.
Because sezinto eyi1 siyalena lena ngikhathele. I mean akunala siya khona la. I mean
my lord, you are not going anywhere. Really, I'm tired about this. Aye, my lord, I'm tired about this. I'm really tired, my lord, about
this.
If
kwakuyisona ukuthi ngivikele iclient nokuthi mhlambe ngenzeni
if it was a sin, my lord, to protect a client, I really, my lord, I don't know.
Because it seems as if yimosi olento le. Yimosi olento le ekade iqale yonke lento le.
It's like I'm the one who started the sin.
And you want to sebenzisa desperation. Don't be too desperate, my friend.
So really bad.
Ngikhathele.
No, my lord, I'm tired.
My lord. Go. I can't do it anymore. I'm tired. Serious.